I'm so excited. I've been waiting so long for this. Okay, so this is the cute little box. It's in such cute colors. And oh my gosh, the little hands. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, it came with stickers. Okay, hi Andy, I saw your video and oh my god, it absolutely made my day. Just want to send over some little goodies. As a big thank you for loving Touchland. Andrea and Touchland TV. I'm hanging this on my wall. Oh my gosh, I can't hang it. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So there's a wild watermelon, a berry bliss, a mango passion. They just came out with the mango passion, I think. The lemon lime spritz. Blue sandalwood. Oh my gosh, it comes with a chain. And then the pure lavender, which I really need. It smells so good. And I've already ran out because I used all of my. Oh my gosh! It goes around your Touchland hands.